This is the video for card N15, fraction of an amount. The objective of this lesson is to be able to calculate the fraction of an amount. Here are some examples. Question 1. 2/3 of £42. We're trying to figure out how to calculate 2/3 of £42, and we can do this in two steps. The first step is to look at the number on the bottom of the fraction. If we take our amount, 42, and divide it by the number on the bottom of the fraction, which in this case is 3, we get the answer 14. Once we have the answer 14, we can then multiply that answer by the number from the top of the fraction. So in this case, the number 2. And 14 times 2 will give me 28. We then need to consider that the amount was £42, and so our final answer will be £28. If we look at the second question and follow the same process, we take our amount, which is 20, and we divide by the number on the bottom, which is 5. 20 divided by 5 will give me 4. We now take that answer of 4 and multiply it by the number on the top, which in this case is 1. 4 times 1 is 4, and again this was in pounds, and so my final answer is £4. 3/4 of £12.80, a little bit more tricky, but we can follow the same process. £12.80 is our amount, and divide by the number on the bottom of the fraction, which in this case is the number 4. £12.80 divided by 4 will give me £3.20. We now take that answer of £3.20 and we multiply by the number 3 from the top of the fraction, which will give us £9.60. And don't forget in your final answer to put in any units that were in the original question. A couple more examples for you. Okay, 3/4 of 28 centimetres. So we take the amount, 28, and we divide by the number on the bottom. In this case that is 4. 28 divided by 4 will give me 7. We now take the number 7 and multiply by the number on the top of the fraction, in this case 3. 7 times 3 is 21, and then my final answer requires centimetres, the same as the original question. The final example, 2/7 of 14 kilograms. Again, the amount is 14. Then we divide by the number on the bottom, so divide by 7, which gives me 2. We take that number 2 and multiply by the number on the top of the fraction. 2 times 2 will give me 4. Don't forget to write your final answer, 4 with the units, kilograms, the same as the original question. It's now your turn to try some of these yourself, so pause the video while you do this and then play it again to check your answers.